When printing, if the incorrect media weight setting is selected, the toner will not properly fuse to the media and will cause the fuser to accumulate excess toner buildup inside. In order to remove the excess toner, the fuser will have to be manually cleaned. To clean the excess toner from the fuser's roller, you will first need a table or a flat surface to work on, general glass cleaner with denatured alcohol and ammonia, Q-tips, and 3 to 4 pieces of heavy stock media. Begin by opening the Illumina and removing the fuser by unlocking the blue locking lever and lifting the fuser straight up and out. Then place the fuser onto a table or a flat surface. To access the fuser's roller for cleaning, open the roller panel door located on the side of the fuser where the media exits during feed. To remove any excess toner from the roller, lightly spray general glass cleaner onto a Q-tip and begin wiping the roller from side to side. You will also need to clean the plastic cleaning blade edge inside of the fuser. After wiping the fuser's roller with your Q-tip and cleaner, release the fuser's 2 pressure tabs by lifting up. Then hand feed a single piece of heavy stock media through the fuser to help remove the excess toner. Repeat the cleaning process until all excess toner has been cleaned from the roller. Once the roller has been cleaned, reinsert the fuser into the machine and lock the fuser's blue locking lever.